Hello everybody and welcome to Grainificent. I've had a lot of questions asking me how I digitize my negatives, so in this video I will show you my process. So here you see I use my camera with a macro lens to take good close-ups of the film negatives. I put them in this cassette from an enlarger to hold the negatives flat, and I use this Kodak LED diffuser screen that you can get to light up your negatives from the back. LED light box. Mine's 8 by 6 inches. They're quite cheap, and I use a remote to take photos. The Newell for my Sony camera, so I don't introduce any shake into the camera when taking photos. Of course, when the negatives are hanging and drying, I take and cut 6 frames each, because that's how much fit in my album in one row, and I give them a nice clean with a microfiber cloth and use a blower to get the rest of the dust off. I forgot to do this here, but if you got any dust left on there, you could use the blower. And when you want to photograph your negative, one side is matte finish, the other side is a more glossy finish. You should take photos of them with the glossy side up. And if you got numbers on your negative, it's the side from which you can read the numbers or in order upright. So you put the negative inside your holder. It could be any type of holder, and you focus in onto the film grain. Of course, turn off any lights so you don't have any color casts on them, so it's nice and dark. And if you got on your camera, on your live view, you can see the lines, which areas are blown out and which areas aren't. Just set your camera to let in as much light as possible right before those lines show up that areas are blown out, so you don't have any blown out areas, but you capture as much light as possible. And of course, with my remote, so we don't introduce any shake, we take the photo. And after taking the photo, of course, we take out the memory card, insert it in our laptop, and edit the photo. And you will see that on other videos of mine how to edit photos, either using free software or Photoshop. So thank you for watching. Hit that like button, it helps the channel a lot. And please subscribe to see more great tutorials and other film-related content. Thank you for watching. Take care, my friends.